Bitcoin is going absolutely parabolic. Lots of people are excited about this. It's currently 3:30 in the morning that I'm recording this. We could see that the price hit over 20,000. Lots of people always message me saying, well, do I buy now? And you see, lots of people consistently buy the top. But there's a very simple way that you can avoid this just by looking at the RSI. This is the relative strength index of the stock. And below that, you can actually see that they have the TTM squeeze as well, which I think is another really important indicator to let you know about the momentum of a stock. We can see that anything over 70 at the RSI is extremely overbought. And at 81 RSI, if you're buying at this point, you are very likely buying a top. It's also important to remember what time frame of the graph you're looking at. Now for this, we're looking at the hour-long time frame. If you're confused, it's about a month that you're looking at. So this is overbought on a monthly scale, but if we go back to a 1 minute, if you're a short-term trader, we can see that it's actually oversold. On a bounce, it's likely to come in the short term. It's important to remember what time frame you're looking at when you're analyzing a stock like this. It's important to remember what time frame you're hearing someone even talk about a stock or a cryptocurrency. This is a cryptocurrency that we're talking about right now when they're analyzing it. Now, another important thing when this TTM squeeze comes in, this TTM squeeze is, I'm not going to go into full explanation of it, but there's a few things going at play here. But the general thing that you should get across for this is showing us the momentum of the stock. And you can see that this looks pretty topped out and it's starting to roll over. So one of the things I would expect is that this is starting to climb down, and the greatest point of the momentum seems to be topped out. Now, what can indicate that is these two candles are about the same size. And as you can see, these darker shaded candles, that's the rolling over effect of that momentum. We can already see a dark candle has formed here, and it has coincided with the drop in Bitcoin. So in the short term, you might have an opportunity to come in here and make some money, but it also is probably a great time to take profits. Now, if you're looking for a longer term indicator of where Bitcoin is going to go, doesn't look too hot here. On a daily graph, this is a yearly chart. We can see we're at an 88 RSI. And if we look at the TTM squeeze, not actually a lot of momentum behind this rally. This is not a lot of volume that's being used to move this cryptocurrency as much as it is, which means that we're overall in a low liquidity environment, which means the health of the rally doesn't look as strong as you'd want. Now, I'm not saying that there isn't money to be made here or that this could not go higher, but these are important things to keep in mind, especially when you're thinking about, is now the time to buy?